Hello everybody and welcome back to another airport update. Today we'll be doing a airport update of Honolulu International Airport with Aviation 18. Please say hello.
Hello everyone, how's it going?
And we'll be starting off with this Hawaiian Airbus A330-200, which will be heading out to Tokyo.
Then next up here we have this Southwest Airlines 737 MAX 8. He's going to be heading out to Oakland. Then following on from that, here we have this Delta Boeing 757-200. He's going to be heading out to Minneapolis, St. Paul today.
Next up we have this Hawaiian Airlines Airbus A321neo. This is fourth in line for departure and will be heading out to Long Beach.
And then next up here we have this US Air Force C-17. He's going to be heading out to Charleston, South Carolina today.
Really quick, I'm going to tell you where I get all of these models for super cheap. I've provided a link in the description. If you click on that, you can scroll through that and see all of the very cheap prices for all these model aircrafts. If you use that link and order an aircraft, you will get a shout out, as well as it helps support my channel. So anytime you're going to order aircraft, please use that link if you would, and it helps support me and costs you nothing extra. Starting us off at Terminal 1, we have this WestJet 737-800 in the 100th Boeing 737NG livery. Just getting fueled up and will be departing for the flight out to Vancouver.
Then next up here, getting heavily serviced, we have this Japan Airlines Boeing 767-300. He's going to be heading out to Osaka in about an hour's time.
Moving along, we have this ANA Airbus A380. This aircraft is in the Flying Honu livery. Just getting ready to get catered and will be heading out to Tokyo, Haneda.
Then following on from that, here we have this Hawaiian Airbus A330 in the newer livery. He's just being pushed back and he's going to be heading out to Seoul today.
Next up, we have this Japan Airlines 787-9 Dreamliner. This aircraft just arrived in from Tokyo, Narita.
And then finally here for Terminal 1, here we have this Hawaiian Airbus A321neo. He's just arriving in from Ontario.
Starting off Terminal 2, we have this United Airlines 737-700 in the old livery. This aircraft is getting ready to push back for the flight out to Santa Ana.
Then next up here, just arriving in, we have this Southwest Airlines Boeing 737 MAX 8. He's just arrived in from Kona.
Just pushing back here, we have this Southwest Airlines 737-800 Canyon Blue. This aircraft is pushing back for the flight out to Long Beach.
Then following on from that, here we have this American Airbus A321 in the stand-up to cancer livery. He's just about to head out to Phoenix, Arizona.
Next up, we have this Air Canada 787-8 currently getting fueled up, and it'll be heading out to Toronto in about an hour's time.
Here we have this United Airlines Boeing 757-200. He's going to be heading out to San Francisco today.
Next up, we have this Alaska Airlines 737-900. This just arrived in from Los Angeles, California.
Then next up here we have this Alaska Boeing 737-800. He's just arrived in from Seattle about 20 minutes ago.
Following that, we have this Sun Country 737-800 in the new livery, also known as the Thai Pod livery. It just arrived in from San Francisco and is getting baggage back on to head back out there.
Then starting off here at Terminal 3, here we have this Philippine Airlines Airbus A330-300. He's just getting catered and then he's going to be heading out to Manila in the Philippines.
Arriving in, we have this Qantas Airlines 787-9 Dreamliner in the 100-year anniversary. This aircraft is arriving in from Sydney, Australia.
Then following on from that, here we have this United Boeing 777-300. He's just being pushed back for Chicago O'Hare.
Moving along, we have the Star Alliance 777-200 by United Airlines. This is a new aircraft by NG Models, and it is an amazing aircraft. This aircraft will be pushing back shortly and heading out to Newark.
And then finally here for Terminal 3, here we have this United Boeing 777-200. He's just arrived in from Denver about 20 minutes ago and is going to be heading back out there.
Starting off the cargo section, we have this FedEx MD-11F. This aircraft is loading on the pilot and co-pilot, and it'll be pushing back shortly for the flight out to Auckland.
Then here we have this UPS Boeing 747-8F. He's arrived in from Guam about an hour ago and is going to be heading back out there.
Next up, we will be doing the military section of this airport update. Starting us off, we have the B-52 Strato Fortress. This aircraft is getting fueled up and will be heading out to Peterson Air Force Base in Colorado Springs.
Then next up, here we have this B-1 Lancer. He's going to be heading out to Dyess Air Force Base today.
Following that, we have another B-1 Lancer. This aircraft will be heading out to Minot Air Force Base in North Dakota.
Following on from that, here we have this B-2 Spirit. He's going to be heading out to Whiteman Air Force Base.
Starting us off at the KC-135s, we have this KC-135 getting ready to push back, and it'll be heading out to Robbins Air Force Base in Georgia.
Then next up here we have this US Air Force Arizona National Guard KC-135. He's going to be heading out to Luke Air Force Base today.
Just arriving in, we have this U.S. Air Force C-17 Globemaster. This arrived in from Hill Air Force Base. That does conclude today's airport update. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'm going to hand over the mic to Aviation 18.
And just like MileHigh said, that does conclude today's update of Honolulu International Airport. I hope you all enjoyed. It's been really nice joining MileHigh in today's update. Honolulu is a really cool airport, and so I'm happy to say that I finally joined him in one of the Honolulu updates. But from me, I want to say thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again hopefully sometime soon.
Thank you, Aviation 18. If you guys did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, as it does help support me and you can see more videos like this. Thank you and goodbye.